How's it going today, everyone? In today's video, I am going to show you how to animate a title and have it move across the screen. It's very easy, so just follow these few steps that I have. Under here, we're just going to create a background, so new item. We'll do black video for now. Bring the black video over here, and then we gotta get some text. So moving title will be the name, and then Control V to just or hit this. And once we have that, if you don't have effects controls up here, you can go to View or Window and Effects Controls right here. Click that if you don't have that right here. But we're going to click this, and then, so position, let's go to the middle. So at like 2.5 seconds, we want it, or from 2 seconds, we want it to stay in the middle. So from here to here it will move, and then from here to here it will stay in the middle, and then from here to here we'll have it move off. So we're gonna set a key point right here under position. We're gonna toggle, and then this key point just got created right here. So we can either drag this blue bar back or this blue bar back. They both do the same thing. And then we're going to slide the position right here is going to go left and right. So we're going to take it off of the screen. And if you want it to go up and down, you can also do that. But right now, for this example, I'm just going to show you this. And then set this keyframe. Or I think that just gets set. Okay, so watch this. Okay, and now from 2 to 3, we set another keyframe. So from here to here, it only stays here. And then let's move it off the screen. And boom, it's as easy as that. Now let's run it. And there, you have yourself a moving title. If you like this video, please make sure you like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let me know, and I'll make some more tutorials for you. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.